just me and the sound of my thoughts spinning slowly around. Faded lights through the window